Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 4. 4 wheels of a car, 4 doors to open, 4 windows to see. Enjoy the 4-wheel ride. Look at the picture. There are 4 lambs and there are 4 rabbits. Let's count the beer in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels of a car, 4 rabbits, 4 sheep. Now think and tell. How many wheels does a car have? Can you count the debit in the picture? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.